everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with them Sophie stories and talking about Uzalo. Guys, it's been very difficult for Hleziphi abakwaqaba saying she is jealous of Nonka ngoba ecule mafutheni thandana nesigwili who's just selling the product. Now Lily knows the truth and Nonka will make her own investigation and she'll find out that indeed Kwanda is selling drugs. Kwanda will become furious and kidnap Hleziphi, demanding his drug back because Hleziphi uzothatha ama drugs akhe awase emapoison for further investigation. Nonka will also be kidnapped with Hleziphi. The tears reveals Nonka and Hleziphi will take a hot seat as they fight for their lives. Fortunately, Njeza will make his way to come and rescue them. He will only be able to rescue Nonka and fail to save Hleziphi because of drug usage. Guys, Kwanda will torment Hleziphi and hold her responsible for everything. The 31st of August 2022 reveals that Kwanda will refuse to reveal Hleziphi's location, and we don't know if Hleziphi will make it or she will die. I don't know guys, but Nonka must just resign umjolo ngoba wow, she's always a victim. Now the Klaba family must go back to their old home with no space to sleep. Guys, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.